This meeting is being recorded.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aziza Umaira binti Karani, and so I will explain about the part 1C for a program 1 in the lab 3. So first I compile. So one success and fail. Okay, first of all, I need to explain about the coding. So this part 1C is we need to calculate the parameter of two hexagon using the loop and add instruction using input. So via the right tag, so the output will be the via right tag and the right string. So the concept used in this programming is association with linked library procedure. So it use right tag, right string, right tag, CLRSC SCR and CRLF from the Irvine 32. So this is a loop-based multiplication. So the basic arithmetic and control flow using register like EAX, EBX, and ECX. So for the MSG1, this for the dot data MSG1, by enter the set leg for the hexagon 2, and or we as the user need to add the sideline for the hexagon 1, and for the MSG2 is for the added sideline for the hexagon 2, and the query one message is the parameter of the hexagon 1, and this is the parameter for of hexagon 2, and this is a total that we will sum up all the hexagon. So for this hex for the teamworks, so this message like string to prompt the user and display the result. And this is a variable to store input and calculate the result. So for the one call CLRSCRs. So this is a program side is to clear the screen for the clean output. And for the input for the hexagon one, it display a prompt and mix and unsigned decimal into the side hex one that we just need. So to calculate the perimeter for hexagon, right? It will move its axis. At EX, EBX is for the calculation for the hexagon, right? So it's repeat a 6 time for the this, and the clear EX for the summing, and the move side length into the EBX. So they add the side length 6 times using a loop to store the result. So for the input hexagon 6, we need to move EDX correction over that. And for the calculate the perimeter of the hexagon, right? We have a move ECX and XOREX and calculate the perimeter. For we need to add, add the EDX, and will be loop this. Will be loop. So for the total parameter calculation for this, we need to calculate both parameter together. So this is the what we call that the code for that, and this we need to display the results, display the result of the each block, display the representative primitive following by a new line. That is the code. So the ASIC program we need to put, and we need to mean and end it in the mean. For the conclusion for these programs, we use a loops and add to stimulate a multiplication, and it take two inputs and calculate both parameters separately. And we need to calculate and display the total of the parameter. And this is we follow the proper Irvine 32 procedures for the code. So right now, I will show you the output for this project. So first, we need to put this a parse, and then we start debugging, or we show you the output. Okay. For this is for the example. So enter the side line of the hexagon one. So I choose 5. And then enter the side line for the hexagon 2 is a second line. So I will choose another this. So I choose 8. And then this is perimeter of hexagon 1. We need to calculate it. Perimeter of hexagon 2 is calculate both, like, because EX and BF is just calculated, and this is the total of the perimeter. So that's all from me. Thank you.